Will you count your letters for me? Can you count them? 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. And then what comes after 5? 6. And what comes after 6?
Come.
Are you counting? What letter is the blue one? What letter is this?
X.
X. What letter is this?
U.
U. What letter is this?
L.
N. What is this? What number is this?
E.
8. That's right. Now what about this one?
E.
H. What's the last one?
O.
Good job. Will you count them? 1.
2. 2. 2. 2. 2.
Are there 2? Where are you going? Where are you taking all your letters? Uh-oh.
U.
The U got away from you, didn't it? Here, hold on. Let's grab some more. Okay. Here, look at all these letters. What's this one?
K.
K.
No. K.
Oh, you don't want these ones? You don't like them? Can you spell anything? Oh, 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 uh-oh. You got away from you again. It keeps running away. You're running away from JJ. God, that you. It doesn't like you, huh? It keeps trying to go away. Will you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, really?
11. What comes after 11? 12. You can count to 11. Holy moly.
Okay.
Is that your chair?
No.
No. Oh, I think we're going to do some business.